So you remember last project we did was another example of using classes, and I sent a text message to the phone
Oh, that's right.
from
Yes,
the computer.
Yes, yes.
So today, what this little mini project is about using other types of classes and other applications to do profanity editing. Cool, huh?
Okay.
So first I'm going to show you the programs that I wrote. So it's pretty simple. So here's another, remember last time it was kind of, when we did the file name changes, there was an import OS.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're using import URL lib. What do you think that means?
URL lib,
Mm-hmm.
something library.
Yeah, it's a URL library. So a URL is a website.
Yeah.
So what this allows you to do is to basically open up a website and be able to use that website's application. In this case, basically what we're doing, Google has a website that basically if you send it or feed it text, it'll tell you whether or not there's profanity in the text. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what this read text function is that I developed. And so the check profanity checker basically, see how it says URL lib URL open, and it opens this website. So this is the I think it's What Do You Love Google website, and they have a profanity checker in there. So basically, I'm going to feed it some text, and then it's going to basically, if it reads that there is profanity in it, it's going to my program's going to say profanity alert. If it doesn't read any profanity in it, it's going to say no profanity found. And if it doesn't work, it's going to say could not scan the document. Okay?
Okay.
So we have just a really simple set of movie quotes that the instructor pulled together.
Mm-hmm.
And so here's the first set of quotes. Houston, we have a problem. That's from Apollo 13. And then Mom has always said life is like a box of chocolates. And you never know what you're going to get. That's Forrest Gump. You can't handle the truth. That's A Few Good Men. And then I believe everything and I believe nothing. A Shot in the Dark. So those are 4 quotes, and that is the text that we're going to actually
check.
Basically.
Okay, gotcha.
So it's going to actually open the file on my computer that has this text in it, and it's going to pass it to the Google Profanity Editor, and my little program is going to tell us whether or not it has profanity in it. So, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go ahead and run the module, and it's working. Oops. It says no profanity found. Okay, so that was the first pass. So now I'm going to go in and modify a word on our little text movie quotes thing. So I'm going to add, Mama always said like is like a, and I'm going to add an expletive.
Okay.
And I'm going to save it. Just set that same file that we had. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run the module again. Response, profanity alert. Cool, huh?
That is way cool.
So that is our little demonstration for today.
Yay.
Yay.